In this video, we will see how to determine if a given number is a term of the arithmetic sequence or not. Let us learn this through an example. So the first example is 0 a term of the arithmetic sequence 21, 18, 15 and so on? Let us assume that 0 is the nth term of the sequence. Okay, and the nth term of the sequence is represented by an. So an is given as 0. If an is 0, the formula, explicit formula for an is a1 plus 1 less than n times d should be equal to 0. Okay, what is a1 in the above sequence? In this sequence, a1 is the first term, which is 21, and the common difference d is given by first term subtracted from the second, 18 minus 21, which gives you a negative 3. Let's substitute the values here. So we will get 21 plus n minus 1 times negative 3 is equal to 0. So we get 21 plus, distribute negative 3 to n and to negative 1 to get a negative 3n plus 3 is equal to 0. So 21 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 0, which gives us 24 minus 3n equal to 0. 3n will transpose it to the right hand side to get 24 is equal to 3n, which gives us n is equal to 24 over 3, which is 8. This tells us that 0 is the 8th term of the given sequence. So I hope it is clear how do we determine whether a given number is a term of an arithmetic sequence or not. You assume that it is the nth term and find out the n. Now let us see an example in which the given term is not the term of an arithmetic sequence, and how do we determine that. So example 2 is, check whether 301 is the term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. Solve this. So we again assume that 301 is the nth term. Nth term can be written as first term plus n minus 1 times d is equal to 301. Let us find out a1. a1 is 5 and d is a2 minus a1, which is 11 minus 5, which is 6. So we substitute it in here. 5 plus n minus 1 times 6 is equal to 301. Let us distribute 6 to n and negative 1 to get 5 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to 301. 6n minus 1 is equal to 301 and 6n is equal to 302. So what is n here? N is equal to 302 over 6, which is equal to 151 over 3. Now what is n? N is the position of the term. Position of 301 here. And can the position of term be fractional? The position of the term should always be an integer value. Correct? It can be first position, second position, third position. It cannot be a 2/3 position or 2.5 position. A term, the position of a term should always be an integer. Correct? And therefore, n as 151 by 3 is actually not possible. The position of any term can't be fractional, and therefore 301 is not the term of the above sequence. I hope this much is clear. So whatever term is given to us, assume it to be the nth term. Using the first term and the common difference, find out the value of n. If n is having an integer value, that term exists in the sequence at that particular position, and if n is fractional, the position of term can only have an integer value, it can't be fractional, and hence we say that that given number is not a term in the given sequence. So I hope these two examples are very clear to everyone. If you have any doubts regarding these kind of questions, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.